Canva is a great tool when it comes to designing pretty much anything when it comes to visual aspects on a page. Images, they even do videos, but in this case, we're going to be walking through how to create mockups for your products, mockup images such as this right here, for your sites, for your funnels, whatever it is that you're trying to add this for, to help spice up and elevate what you have going on that page. Before we move forward here, I just want to start off by saying that I believe this is a paid feature inside of Canva. I'm not too sure if it works for the free one. You can try. If you have a free account, awesome. If it works, fantastic. If not, you'd have to upgrade, and I believe it's like $12 a month, something like that. From my homepage here, let's go ahead and just hover down on the left-hand navigation to apps. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, you want to either click on mockups under recommended. If you don't see it there, that's okay. Just search it right here under search apps, and it's going to take you to another location. I'll show you both of these just so you can get the hang of each. But if you do see it over here on the left-hand side, which is where I first found it, just click on that directly. From here, you can go and either search up whatever you're looking for at the very top of the page, or you can click through the preset options just like this. All right, totally up to you. Either way, you'll find what you're looking for, hopefully find what you're looking for. Usually I'm in the technology area right here, but every once in a while I'll stray if I'm doing a physical product for clients, right? Let's say, for example, we are trying to find one for candles. Click on it directly, and at this point we can scroll through until we find the right mockup for what we're trying to achieve. Now let's say, I don't know, let's go with this guy right here. For an example, click on that directly, and the area that you see the cloud image right there and the image itself, once it loads, is going to be where your actual logo or whatever it is that you're trying to add to it is going to appear, right? So if we go ahead and click on select, we'll go ahead and just click on the image that you want to use, click on select, and at this point it's going to generate that image in the center there on the actual image that you saw there a second ago, right? Now, all we have to do from here is either save or adjust the image, totally up to you. If you want to adjust the image, you can just adjust how large it is basically on the canvas. You can crop it, you can fill it, you can totally just go crazy, all right? Or you can save it and bring it to the actual editor or like a canvas or something like that to add maybe a different background, change background colors, get crazy and customize it as much as you want. You can just click on use and design if you want to do that. Or if you like the way it looks just like this, go ahead and click on download. And that's literally it. That's all you have to do. Now to use and design, you can go and create custom sizes. You can go by presets. So for instance, maybe you want to do, I don't know, let's go with like a logo here. Right, it'll bring you to the canvas with a 500 by 500 pixel ratio, and you can adjust it accordingly based off of that. You can go and add things to it. You can go in and maybe add text to it. You can do whatever you want. Get crazy with the custom design here. All right, that is there for use. Okay, now if you go the other route as far as typing in mockups, so let me go back over here and I'll click on apps again. Again, this is a place that we land as soon as we click on apps from the home page. If we type in mockups from here, we'll see two different options. If you click, well, either one of these, it'll bring you into the actual canvas or create canvas for you, where you can go in and edit or start editing from there. So for example, if I click on this, it's going to say use an existing design or use in a new design. Totally up to you. Once you click either of these, it's actually going to show up inside of the editor, and I'll show you that right here. If we go back to the other design, on the left-hand navigation or left-hand options here as far as things to select from, we'll see that there's one here for mockups. I clicked this before, right? And at this point in time, if I want to, I can just click on it again, and it's going to bring me to the same location. So you only have to click on it once from the apps tab here, and then at that point in time you can use it within, or it'll store it within your canvas there, so you can go back and reference it at any point you want. So if we go and click on, say, use an existing design, I'm just gonna do a new design actually. For the custom size here, let's go 500 by 500, same as that logo size. And again, you're gonna see this exact same thing I just showed you in this other canvas. Give it a second to load. But it's going to show you popular smartphones, prints. You can see all these. If you want to see more of a certain thing, click on see all, and it's going to show you more from there. Okay, now have fun with this. Have a great time. There is tons of opportunity here that can be optimized or utilized rather when doing this. But if you have any questions around anything, I can do my best to help. Just leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to point you in the right direction. I'm not necessarily a crazy expert on Canva, but I know my way around it. All right, if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more just like this, make sure to hit subscribe. And yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.